Create rules to manage new leads and access the lead settings via the Setup menu on Salesforce. See how to make new rules, manage your leads, and change lead assignment settings. So from my home page, if I would like to modify my lead settings, I can simply go up to the top right-hand side and select the Setup gear icon here. From this menu, I'm going to select Setup Home at the top. Within the Setup menu, I'm going to go to the left-hand side and select the Quick Find search box. From here, I'm going to type in lead, and I'll get a list of lead settings below. I'm going to select the option here for lead settings. And within lead settings, if I'd like to change and edit information, for example, change the default lead owner, I can simply select Edit in the center of this menu. From here, I can type in a new username, so I can select backspace on my computer and type in a new name. Once I've selected the option, I can choose to notify default lead owner by simply selecting the box here. If I don't want to notify, I can uncheck the box, and the person will not be notified. Once I've changed the settings for my leads, I can simply select Save at the bottom. If I would like to create rules to automatically assign my leads, I can simply go to the left-hand side and select Lead Assignment Rules. From here, I can create a new rule by simply selecting New in the center. From here, it's going to ask me to name my new rule. And from here, I can select to make this rule active by selecting the active box here on the left-hand side. Once I've named my rule, I can simply select Save at the bottom center. From here, if I would like to add new details and criteria regarding this rule, I can simply select the rule name here. And just below, you'll see the option for rule entries. I can select New next to rule entries. And from here, I can create my new rule. So at the top, it's going to give me a sort order. I'm just going to number this. And then once I've added the sort order, I'm going to choose the criteria at the bottom. At the top of this option, I can choose the criteria are met, or I could choose the formula evaluates to be true. I'm going to choose the criteria to be met, and then I could choose the fields below. I can choose up to 5 fields and 5 operators and values. So I'm going to choose just one field for example's sake. And within the drop-down menu, I can choose the field concerned. So if I'd like to choose a specific field, I can scroll down the menu here on the right-hand side. And I can choose name, for example, for last name. And I can choose the operator here with the drop-down menu. And I can select contains. And I can choose a value here. So I'm going to choose the letter A. Once I've set my criteria, I can simply